How to install Emo application on your iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're trying to install the Emo application on your iOS device for video calling, messaging, or staying connected with friends and family, here's how you can do it. First of all, open your App Store from your iOS device and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. In the search bar, type in emo and search. Look for this Emo International Calls and Chat from emo.im and tap on the Get or the cloud icon to start installing the app on your device. If you're downloading the app for the first time, you'll need to authenticate with your Touch ID, Face ID, or your Apple ID's password. Now wait for a couple of seconds and the application will be downloaded. The download process will take a while depending upon your internet speed, so the faster internet connection you have, the faster your download will finish. After the installation is complete, tap on Open. And now you'll need to go ahead and select your country and enter your phone number and follow through these steps to sign into your account. So that's how you easily download and install the Emo application on iOS. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.